Alright guys, what is going on? So we just got inside this super old and super decrepit abandoned warehouse, or maybe garage, I don't know. But whoever used to own it, looks like they were using it for storage. A lot of tires scattered all over, very, very heavy decay. And to top it off, we got a crap ton of abandoned vehicles. So this is the first one that we're coming across. Looks like an old, maybe a Ford van, Ford camper. But yeah, look at that thing. It even had curtains inside of it. And we got a little surprise for you guys. I mean, I guess it's not a surprise because you probably saw the title. But yeah, we'll get to that part in just a second. I do want to check out this thing. I don't know if there's a door on it. It's probably on this side. Oh, wow. Oh yeah, that wall's coming down. This place is not stable. Look at that. This is just a huge collapsing room, just filled with tires. Nothing special inside. But I do want to point out the ornamental ceiling. It's a bunch of tin ceiling tiles. There's a little bit hanging down here. Makes me wonder what this was actually used for and how old this building is. Because they used those like in the late 1800s, not even joking. So this is probably an old building. There's some more ornamentation up there in the corner. What if this opens up? Nope, no dice. So this looks like a town car limo. There's actually another one right there. Jam-packed in here. Barely any room to walk around. You gotta like make a path. A nice little ladder here. Ooh. I wouldn't be surprised if there's a car under there. Oh, the Sebring got crushed. Ooh. Look at those rims. That's at least 100 spoke, at least. It's highly unlikely that this is a real Bentley because it looks just like that town car. Probably another replica, maybe a limo service made this. Try and get a little more money out of their rentals. Ooh, okay. Don't mind if I do. Whoa. No way, there's like a TV and stuff in here. Look at that. I will be honest, I wouldn't say this limo is big man certified. I'm over 6 feet and my head is... I am cramped in here, let's just say. Feeling like $1 million in here. It's fantastic. Oh, no kidding, look at that. They even have the Bentley logos stitched on the back of those seats. They went all out. Look at this. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and say that is not a legit Bentley badge. It's all off center and stuff. So Max is saying that this might be a real Bentley.
I think it's a real Bentley.
I don't know much about like the luxury side of the car world. I drive a 94 Astro, so that should say a little bit. But I don't know. I mean, it's a limo. I'm sure a lot of limos look the same. This screams town car, but the body lines do not.
The front looks like.
And this is a lot of effort to turn a town car into like this.
We gotta check the engine though. If we check the engine.
Here, see if you can. Yeah.
If it's a V12 or a V10 or something similar, then it's definitely real. If
Okay.
it's just like a V8 or a V6 or something even lower powered, then it's fake.
All right, Max is gonna try and pop the hood.
I think this is real. Yeah, it feels a little bit.
It just looks like a Lincoln, to be honest, or a Chrysler or something.
Yeah, I don't like this radio setup. Kind of looks. That kind of looks kind of cheesy. Wait, what is this? Oh, I think this is. Oh, Porky Pig.
Porky the Pig. Oh.
The moment of truth.
All right. Cam down for this. Huh. What's the verdict?
Look like a Bentley engine.
It does not. It's big. It could be a V8, but
I don't think Bentley's made V8s.
you look for the spark plugs.
That's Dan.
Yeah, that's a V8. Yep.
Is it?
Yeah, 4N4.
Now, I don't know much about Bentleys, but I don't think at this time they were making V8s. I think they were all V12s, V10s.
Oh, Ford. Ford fuses in it.
Ah, it's not real.
It's like a f***ing Crown Vic or something.
This is very convincing though.
It is. It is.
Especially with the lights and everything.
There's the main garage here. And there's the Murcielago. Yeah, definitely a kit car. Man, that is cool. I go to car shows a bunch, and I've seen Lambos, and to see one in this shape, it's so strange. Seeing one in like an abandoned warehouse like this, it's just unreal. So yeah, this is definitely a kit car. If you guys don't know what kit cars are, it's basically like a replica. And somebody probably built this maybe on a Fiero body. Fieros are known to have very similar frames to Lamborghinis, size-wise. So a lot of people sometimes, if they can't afford one, well, they build one. But honestly, I don't think they make replica headlights and taillights and stuff. So these very well could be real pieces. Oh yeah, Lamborghini, look.
These are Lamborghini lights?
Yep, see, right there.
Oh yeah.
That's the badge.
Hell yeah, so these are real lights. So some of this is actual real Lamborghini parts. I don't know if you can see it, it's really hard to see, but that's the little badge right there. It says Lamborghini, that's like the bull. You really can't see it, it's really hard to see it, but that's definitely a Lambo badge, and we can see it right now.
Honestly, it'd make me a lot sadder if this was real. That'd be a damn shame. Wow. They put a lot of work into this. It's such a shame that this is just abandoned. Even it being a kit car, this is just sad to see. This is stuck up. Someone busted off the side mirror. That's a shame. And I mean, I'm hoping this was just temporary, because this is just like a piece of plexiglass roughly cut into the shape of the windshield. It's not even glass. Oh, definitely not supposed to open that way. Got the radiator in there. I don't see much else. Guessing it's mid-engine. Most of it's in the back. Can't see much through there. I don't know if you guys can see that on the dash, the Lamborghini badge. Piece of wood is propping up that door. So we found a lot of crazy stuff on this channel, but this has to be up there. This might even be #1. Yes, it's not a real Lambo, but it's a Lambo. Like, if somebody put the effort and the time into building this thing, it's a Lambo. Like, look at it. This is so cool. So Max, you know, he locked his stuff in the limo.
Yeah, my stuff got locked in there.
Yeah, his backpack, his camera stuff, you could probably see it in there. Is your light in there too? I see it. You going through?
Yeah.
Yo, could I Hold on.
Son of a
Strange places, ladies and gentlemen. I don't think most people would dare to venture through that limo window. And he made it. Wow.
Yeah.
You got it? That's going in the vlog.
Yeah.
Second limo. Yeah, I got a decanter. This one's a little shorter than the last one. Only 4 seats in this one, no bench. Still has the little liquor station. I'm pretty sure that brick wall is touching the door.
Nah, it's not touching the... Nah, we can start in the door. This is like... This entire thing over here is being supported by this.
Yeah, there's no way we're getting in that door. So Max found a way, as usual. I'm gonna have to turn my light on for this.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Yeah. Classy.
Yo, why does this say Bentley? Did this get ripped out of the limo?
Yeah, that is a Bentley
That's a Bentley
TV.
Bentley's made TVs.
Well, looks like this garage came with a mini abandoned house.
Yeah, that's cool.
That is really neat.
It does look like a mini abandoned house. If there's probably bull.
There's enough
fridge.
stuff to make it.
Oh, no. Oh, it smells really bad.
Okay.
Oh, it smells like a really bad fart. I shouldn't have done that.
Yo.
There was crap. I don't know if the camera picked that up, but there's so much in that refrigerator.
Max, I respect you highly for that one.
God.
If you guys watch my channel, you know I open every fridge I see. But Max took the reins, took one for the team, took a fat waft of all that good fridge air.
Yeah, it smelled great. I don't know if he's gonna do it again.
Oh my goodness.
Oh.
That's special.
Oh.
That's special.
Here we can see.
Oh my.
It's collapsing right here.
No way.
And
Look at that. Oh, it's a shower. It is an actual shower.
Is it really?
Yep. Got a little curtain.
Definitely looks like a mini.
This would be the most uncomfortable shower ever to take in here.
Yeah, true.
I would not wish that on anyone. This is the luxury I'm more used to. Yep. Beautiful belly cap. Nice fold down armrests. Velour. Big, hard to pull things. Crank windows. Nice. Well guys, I think we covered just about everything in here. So I think that's gonna wrap this one up. If you enjoyed watching, drop a like. Consider subscribing if you want to see more videos like this one and the crazy finds that we discover. Joined by my buddy Max, link in the description.
Strange places, we go places that most people wouldn't dare to venture.
Check it out.
Link in description.
Alright guys, peace out.